Man, where the camera at? Why they can't see me? Nah, I'm just playing with y'all. All right, what's up with y'all? It's your boy, it's Jose. We're going to install Talongrips today on my car, CM40. Stay tuned. What to do? All right. All right, y'all. So today, we're going to be installing Talongrips on the car CM40. Last video you guys saw, I did a decent unboxing. Still haven't gone to the range and shot it much. I think I shot it maybe once. I shot it once. I shot about 50 rounds through it when I first got it, and still hasn't replaced anything in my EDC carry. But at the same time, it'll probably be, like I said, it'll probably be something that I wear, during the summertime when it's really hot. I live in Texas. I am from Miami, but at the same time, Texas gets hot as hell. So, gotta have something small. Gotta stay prepared. All right, let's bring you guys on to the work. All right, so we got the weapon. Got that holster. All right, weapon is clear. No magazine, no bullets. All right, sorry about that, y'all. Had a phone call come in. My baby brother calling me from Fort Worth, Funky Town. All right. Now there is instructions on the back of this. I've installed these before on a few of my guns. See if I can get it open right fast without tearing the grip up. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody's being safe. All right. Get this up out of here. Boom, there's that. What else is inside of here? We got a sticker. Okay. What else we got? What else we got? Big old fingers. All right. Oh, we got a alcohol swab. Wipe the gun down, get any of the grease and anything like that off it. All right. So as you guys can see, this one right here, this works for the CM9, CM40, PM9, PM40. Okay. There we go. Let me cut this other light on so it ain't so much glare. Give me one second. All right. Hopefully the lighting's a little bit better for everybody now. All right. So there's the grip. See the Talon grip sticker. Put that over there on the side. I remember when Talongrips first started really getting really big. I remember my first grip I ordered for them was for my SD9 VE Smith & Wesson. Okay, that was probably about like maybe 8 years ago. That's back when they went from Sigma to SD9s. Well, anyways, they used to actually send a handwritten letter. It was typed up, and you see a little handwritten on there, saying thank you for your purchase and stuff like that. It was a good touch. This right here, I know they're mass producing a lot of these now, and they have to do something better, but that personal touch, it's a good thing. It's good business. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this gun apart really fast. While we do this, we don't need to slide. Let's see. This was a little difficult for me the first time around too. Set that over there. You guys always remember, okay? Anytime you're working with any firearms, make sure there's no ammunition anywhere on the table, anywhere around, okay? I took that off just to reassure you guys that there's no ammunition on the table, okay? Set this down. All right. So, alcohol wipe, firearm frame, grip that you're going to put. I did not get the granulate one. I got the one that's more rubberized. All right. And let's see. We got our instructions. Even though I don't need them. I've done this a bunch of times already. And if you got a wife, a daughter, a mom. All right. I got all three. And then some on the daughter side. Get a hairdryer if you don't have a heat gun. I don't like using heat guns because to me, I think it's too much direct heat. This is rubber. Rubber is plastic. Plastic melts. All right, this is not going to be like polymer. Polymer doesn't melt. The heat resistance is a little bit more, but you know, I ain't trying to teach you guys science or nothing like that. Heat and plastic, you get a liquid. But anyways, prep your surface. All right, just go ahead and wipe this down. Wipe it down with some alcohol. Wipe it down. All right. Just wipe it on down. After you wipe it down, you guys want to refrain from actually touching it where you're going to apply this. But it's your weapon. Do as you please. All right. I'm going to take this, let it dry off. Hot breath. That'll do it. Yep. Right on, right. So most people, what they'll do is they'll peel it halfway. Peel it halfway or so. Stick it on. Actually, I should have peeled it from the other side first. So what I'm going to do is, don't try this at home. So I'm going to go ahead and just lay it on there. Just lay your body down. All right. Lay that on there. Don't stick it down all the way. Just lay it down so you can match everything to where it needs to go. There we go. And it actually becomes more pliable when you apply the heat to it. That's why I say don't stick it down all the way, because there's going to be some spots where it's going to seem like it's not on there properly, and you actually be able to kind of slide it around just a little bit when the heat gets to it. Okay. I think I'm liking it. I think I like it, baby. Okay, let me fix this a little bit. Slide that over some. Take that. Peel that off. Okay. All right, cool. Here's the loud part. All right, so I'll try to put some music or something like that during this process. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so we got our blow dryer. All right. We're gonna put it on heat. We're gonna make sure that it's hot. I test the size with my hands. If it starts burning too much, then you know that's as far as you need to hold your gun. Put some heat to it. Keep that side up. Press it down. Press it down. And you'll actually feel it become kind of sticky. Press it down. Press it down. Turn that off for a little bit. I'm gonna be killing you guys with all this blow drying noise. You just press it down and you can actually adjust it. Like I said, it becomes a little bit more pliable when you heat it up. It's got a little cutout there for the logo right there. So I just try to make sure that you can see that that logo. Press it on down. Press it on down. Just press it on down. All right. What I like to do is I like to grip it a little bit. Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand, wrap your hands around it. All right. And their little logo stamp is very subtle. You see this little small little T right there. All right, let's see. Bring that up a little bit. So once it starts not being able to move a lot, just go ahead, turn this blow dryer back on. that up nice and good. Now I can slide it into place where I want it. Slide it into place. I reckon that looks pretty decent there. Don't look too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Cool. As you can see. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together. We're back together. Back it up. Drop it down. Boom. There we go. All right. You can see. Don't look too bad. Not too bad at all. That's what she looks like. And that is the results. I don't think she looks that bad. Looks pretty good to me. It's pretty good. And as you can see, with the size of the gun and the size of my hand, that's a very small gun. I can cover the entire gun. I mean, look, you can definitely tell. You can definitely tell it's very small. All right, you guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends. Like I said, kahr CM40, Talongrips installed. Jose's out.